K-pop kings showing off their abs. Handsome guys swimming out a mess. K-pop queens sunbathing with charm. Pretty girls playing without harm. Charming boys teasing for fun. Jinu and Remy chatting in the sun. Zoe and Jimmy flirting with a grin. Attractive Abby showing up with a win. Gorgeous beach having a good time. Jinu and Rumi parasailing sublime. Abby and Mira laughing with a sound. K-pop bands playing all around. F-R-N-G. Romance and Zoe driving on the coast. Jinu and Rumi on a motorbike they boast. Abby and Mira strolling hand in hand. Jinu and Rumi pumping up floats on the sand. Zoe and Mira lying down seductively. Abby and Mira playing ball energetically. Zoe and Mira having fun with glee. Abby and romance, masculine charm by the sea. Rumi and Mira swimming in a flirty way. Romance and Zoe relax and fit and sway. Rumi and Jinu playing with a happy glow. Abby and Mira just skiing, putting on a show. G99 Lovely Lumi walks onto the stage. Pretty Zoe waves to the crowd. Rumi and Zoe dance with sexy moves. Charming Mira co-face with cool grooves. Attracting Mira performs with professional skill. Beautiful queens laughing with a thrill. Rumi and Zoe play with so much fun. Stunning Mira, a seductive, relaxing one.
road so fast. Meet all my great bros. Practice time is now. Arrive at studio, fans are cheering loud. Such a crazy scene, living the K-pop dream. We rehearse our songs, guitar plays so tight, vocals sound so clear, best group performs bright. Stage tryout fun, feel the music's vibe. My U-bo is here, together we can thrive. Sweet date night away, romantic cozy place. Change my stage clothes, resting my tired feet, play video games, chill with my cool crew. That time comes soon. I do to all of you. Oh, 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 I do to all of you. Oh, 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 I do to all of you.
If you found this video worth watching, please like and sub. Thank you very much.